Alam mo ba na pwede ka nang magkaroon ng sariling bahay near SM South Mall for as low as 51,000 per month? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine, uwi ka galing work, hindi ka na babiyahe ng malayo. In just a few minutes, nasa bahay ka na. Malapit ka sa malls, restaurants, groceries, lahat accessible. Pero here's the best part. Hindi ka na nakatira sa maingay at siksik na lugar. This home is located an exclusive village here in Almansa Uno, Las Piñas. Less than 100 homes lang, so tahimik, secure at very private. Perfect for families na gusto ng peaceful environment. This is an executive townhome with 80 square meter lot area and 124 square meters floor area. Sakto for a growing family. Pagpasok mo, you'll immediately feel the bright and open layout. Hindi masikip, very comfortable yung space. If you love cooking, you'll definitely appreciate the granite kitchen countertop. Modern, elegant, and easy to maintain. And syempre, meron kang sariling carport. Safe and secure ang sasakyan mo. But wait, there's more. This community also has a swimming pool and pavilion. Perfect for weekend bonding with your family or even small gatherings. So, hindi mo na kailangan lumayo just to relax. And all of this, pwede mong makuha for as low as 51,000 per month. Yes, monthly na yan, through bank financing up to 30 years. Parang nagre-rent ka lang, pero this time, sayo na yung bahay. So, if you're looking a home na accessible, peaceful, and worth your investment, this is your sign. Don't miss the opportunity. Message or call me today dahil last unit na lang ang available. See you! Bye!